So I'm gonna wait for that to update. I'll just keep like relaunching it like multiple times, and eventually it'll probably work. Probably. Maybe. It said that I did it. It said that but it still says in the bottom left, click to up subscription. Why is it like that? Why would you make your game like that? Why not just make the game work? Why not just make the game work? Why? Why? Anyways, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I should have tested this. I should have tested this. They make it work bad on purpose. That sounds like a very Blizzard thing to do. Let me actually go to my account so that way Blizzard doesn't trick me into upping my subscription like 6 times. Let me try subscribing now. Boop, 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 boop. Confirm payment. Like I clicked the button, chat. Blizzard, please accept my card. Come on, Blizzard. Small indie game. Please understand, Pippa. Yeah. Small indie game. Please understand. Very hard for them to make a payment processor that works even though they want you to charge $1 million in microtransactions. That's a really baffling part, isn't it? Like, what? They want you to charge 1 million microtransactions, but they can't even, like, make a fucking subscription service that works? Like, you can't, why is it a nightmare to charge payments? Okay, there we go. Now it says active. Guess what I got instead, chat? Beppis. Good lordy, I got some Beppis.